What's going on, guys? It's your boys, the Bike Boys here, back with another video, second video to be exact. And in this video, we set up a little scenario. Your bike chain snapped, it's gone, and it slipped. So we set up two little examples, one on a smaller mountain bike right here, and then one on the giant all-terrain fitness sport bike. So we have a chain pop, as we can see, down at the bottom and right here off the, I want to call that first or second gear. And this chain popped, and this will be a harder fix because we have a little wedge. Actually, yeah, there. So we have a little wedge, and then with this bike, we have a little, it popped out of the reel and then out of the back, popped out of this spring car. So we're gonna fix the giant all-terrain. So I'll be up here. First thing you're gonna wanna do is fix the front chain first. It's the main thing, and even if you do mess up on it, it shouldn't hurt the bike. So you're gonna take the chain. It would help if I'm on this side. So here, you're gonna take the chain, pull it with your dominant hand, and it might take a little bit of trial and error, but there, as we can see, we want each of the individual chains, well, the chain links, they have little spikes on these. We're trying to get those holes to match up with the chain. So whenever you clarify that they're all checked, you should have no more slack down here. So you'll have no more slack, and then you'll move on to the back. So for instance, this part, that is fine right now, but the more that, like, if it's a major crash, this will pop, but if it's hard enough for this to pop, your chain's just screwed. There's probably a way to fix it, it's just kind of hard. So we're gonna take the chain there and pop it all back into the little rungs. So then this bike is good as new. Chain is back, and yeah, you can, you're good, wheels turn good, perfect. That bike's complete. Okay guys, so now we have the Hypershocker 20, and this has faced a very severe slip. So this is as if rider went handlebars over or set the bike on the kickstand wrong, pops off, like as it falls. So we had this slip off the whole gear completely, and we had this slip off this and get wedged in the back, which that is not good for your bike. Well, a chain slip in general is not good. So first things first, we're gonna want to start with the back, same as the giant bike, and we're gonna take this chain, make sure you connect it to every rung. Perfect. All right, now it's set. Now we gotta de-wedge it, which this should not be that hard. It's just a little de-wedge. And to prevent your snaps from happening a lot more often, like if you're having a ton of chain snaps, go into like your local bike shop, or a simpler fix without spending any money is put it maybe on your this gear, like this rung down here, and your fourth rung. So third and fourth rung would be great. Have a lot less chain snaps, or chain slips rather. So, yep, this bike is now complete. So you take the kickstand up, and we start to, kick that all the way right there. And we start to pedal. As you can see, it does pedal now. So, yeah, this is the Hypershocker 20, and yeah, we have just fixed that bike chain. So if you guys have found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to go down, drop a comment, and leave a like if you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and to keep up with our daily awesomeness. don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.